Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to format USB drive using command prompt. Sometimes you want to format your USB with the normal Windows and at a point it will stop. Some of these things are caused by virus and the rest of them. Today I am going to teach you how to format it using command prompt. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe. To format this D drive, this Ubuntu 22 drive, the first step you have to do is to launch your command prompt. Go to your start, click on command prompt. When you launch your command prompt, then type DiskPart. DiskPart and click enter. Say yes. It will open up a DiskPart for you. What you have to do is to list disk. So it will display all disk that is on this computer. So when it display all disk that is on this computer, you select the disk you want. So now that you've selected the disk, be careful not to select your main hard drive. Now that you've selected the disk, you run clean. So next thing is to create a partition. Then select partition. So it depends on if you want to format it on NTFS or FAT file. You can either choose NTFS or FAT file. Now you are done formatting. If you go back to the device, you will see the device. This is it. You formatted the device and it's empty, ready to accept data again. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to our Ourdemic technology channel.